Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this time, we will learn how to design gear using Toolbox in SolidWorks. It's easy and fast. So we started with first select design library and choose Toolbox. It's the menu not appear in your SolidWorks. Don't panic. Just click this menu on the top and click add-ins. And sure, we already to checklist or click OK in SolidWorks show library. Just click OK and click Toolbox. In here we can see standard. For example, I choose in or select in ISO standard. We want to make a gear, so select the power transmission and select a gear. We want to make a Spur Gear, so right click on Spur Gear and click create a part like this, and automatically in here have a menu in configuration component. We can to adjust the all the menu in here. The first we can see a module. The module is define the size of the teeth. Formula of module is pitch diameter divide number of teeth. For example, in here I choose 2, and in below in here have a menu number of teeth. Number of teeth is determines gear ratio. More teeth is smoother rotation but bigger size. In here I select for example in for number of teeth in 30, and automatically in here change. We can see again in here in the menu, you can see the pressure angle. Pressure angle is angle between the line of action and tangent to the pitch circle. In here we can see it's two choice 20 and 14.5. 20 is modern standard, it's stronger teeth, smaller contact ratio, and in 14.5 degree is older standard, smoother and quicker but weaker teeth. In here for example I select in 20 degree for angle. And we can see again in here a face width. Face width is width of gear teeth in axial direction. Effect strength and load capacity. Wider face is stronger gear but heavier. And in the below it is a hub type. For example in here I select a type B hub style. In here hub style is defined on the center part of gear. In here for example for hub diameter we can set in for example in 35 for hub diameter, and for overall we can see we can rotate this gear like this, and we can see overall length. For the overall length in here we can set in 30 millimeter, for example like this. Overall length in here is total gear thickness equal hub length plus face width. We can adjust to maybe in 25 overall length like this, or maybe in 20 more smaller like this. Then in here have a nominal shaft diameter. We can adjust in here nominal shaft diameter. For example I set in 20 like this. Then in here have a menu keyway. Keyway is slot inside board to fit a key with the shaft. For example in here we can select the square one, so in here have a slot inside board to fit a key with the shaft. We can adjust to for example square 2, it's a 2 slot inside board. So for example, in here I choose in square one, and in here is a saw teeth. We can to ignore because if the teeth we can change in 15, so automatically the another gear in here is height or to be solid. For example, in here we can to see a full of teeth, so just input 30 for teeth. Appropriate is number of teeth like this. Then after that, after we adjust all the feature in the menu, all in here, we can to close or just click OK, and automatically we back in our first menu. So we can to click in here, click SolidWorks, we can click this tab. We can to change the color background, maybe in plain white like this, and we can to select all the feature, can change appearances. For example, is metal, I choose in polish platinum like this. Then it's done. It's so simple to make how to design Spur Gear using Toolbox in SolidWorks. It's easy and fast. Thank you very much for watching until the end. See you in the next tutorial. Thank you, and I apologize if there any mistake of error in this material. Thank you very much.